Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need the basics set, iOS 16 or later, the Shortcuts app, and an album with your chosen images. Open Shortcuts now and tap Plus to create an automation. Choose Personal Automation. Once done, pick a trigger, time of day, alarm, or app to run the change automatically. Make sure Shortcuts can access photos and wallpapers in settings, otherwise the shortcut will fail. Start with a simple time-based trigger, so you can test quickly and iterate from there. You'll now assemble the actions. Add Find Photos, limit it to your dedicated album, and optional filters like Favorite or Date. Next, insert Get Random item to pick a photo each run. This creates variety. Then add Set Wallpaper, choose whether to apply to lock screen, home screen, or both, and toggle perspective/scale options. Once configured, tap the three dots to disable Ask before running so it runs unattended. This combination runs the selection and applies it without manual input. You should test the automation immediately by running it from Shortcuts. Confirm the wallpaper changes as expected. Schedule multiple triggers if you want varied timing, morning, evening, or on charging, by adding more automations or adjusting conditions. If something goes wrong, make sure Shortcuts has photos and wallpaper permission, that the album contains usable images, and that Ask before running is off. For debugging, add a quick look or show notification action after the photo selection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.